Watch as I turn this old texture canvas into high-end metallic textured art using aluminum foil and allowing the surface of those shiny reflections to come through. Applying it with gel gloss, which is also used as an adhesive. I also spritz some water over the top of this just to make it easier to spread. You can use any tool. I'm just using a plastic scraper. And once you apply it to the top, again, you can use a variety of tools to make stunning, unique patterns. I like to use my hand in conjunction with various tools. The scraper just really brings up those under layers of the existing texture, which is just going to add more interest to this. And where the seam is here, I've went ahead and kind of rolled it a little bit so you wouldn't see like a straight linear line, and leaving one side completely uncovered just for the design that I'm looking for. So here you can see it's rolled and you won't be able to see where it connects. So I'm just going to apply some gesso and put that over the top with a brush, and then I'll be using a catalyst wedge to take some of it off. Again, wanting to expose some of those stunning underlayers that will also be more exposed once I start painting. So I'm going to put some music on for you guys, some for me. We can get jamming, and I'll see you in the close-up. This is an intuitive painting, guys, as most of mine are. And I had no idea, except I wanted to use 3 classic colors, but I wanted a lot of interest and variation. And applying the aluminum foil over the existing texture certainly achieved that. I'm getting so many images in my head, it's starting to hurt. I love the watermarks, they're stunning, especially on with accents of black and the undertones of gold. I'm seeing webbing and a variety of different things. You guys can let me know down in the comments what you think this unique beauty looks like. But please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. It's free. It really helps the channel. Let's get to 40K by March, and I will see you in the next painting.